Appearing on behalf of respondent number 1 and 2 in the matter, we have received the rejoinder in the matter. I am suffering in short time now.
Not trading or complete in this matter. This.
After what survives, what are you looking for?
No, I am looking for that the PhD admissions made in the year 203 Carvate. Set aside.
So get them shut down. Unko bolo court course mi kian kart hai wo?
My lot, I am looking for that the PhD admissions undertaken by resident.
That was for 2023 course. Why lot? Why? What survives now?
Why lot? Because I am a candidate in the PhD examination and I am a domicile of this state.
No, so what are you looking for?
I am looking for setting aside because there are discrepancies in the admission process. The
2023 course would also have ended.
My lord, this is with limitation before this court, my lord. The
issue is not limitation, the issue is what? My lord, the judicial process will take its time. 2023 admission process, who got admitted? Some students have got admitted after working for 2 years. You told them that you will cancel the admission.
No, but there are major discrepancies in the admission process. I have come before this court in August.
You have not been admitted.
I have not been admitted.
In 2024 batch.
No.
2025 batch apply.
My lot, I am preparing for competitive exams. I have not because there are major discrepancies in the examination process. How can I undertake an examination? This is already legally not sound, my lord.
What is the discrepancy?
My lord, discrepancy is that they have to give reservation to domicile OBCs. Come
to this side, come to the mic, me my.
Lord, the discrepancy is that they have to give reservation to OBCs who are domicile of this state 50%, and they have not given, so they have given to a candidate who is all India candidate OBC.
Please turn to your prayers in the petition. You are seeking Kosh notification, and that's it. Why not nothing? Beyond that, this is
the admission notice, ma'am.
That notice, that admission is over. Why not? But I have, there is no declaration being sorted, nothing be sorted. That this should be the procedure. You saying Kosh it, and that's the end it now. If we Kosh 2023 notification and admission process, what happens to all 2 students who are admitted?
My lot, before the admission process took place, I came before this court. They were on notice. They are in notice since January 2024. They have not replied for 1 year. My lot, they have replied in December 2024. Delay has been on their account.
It's not the question of we are not on the issue of delay.
My lord.
Your petition is within time.
But how will this relief help you today? My lot may finally hear this. Any fixed date may be given.
Supposing we allow that, we say yes, this is what, then what happens? Do you get admission?
My lord, how will I? I am not seeking admission.
Then what? Why?
The process is unlawful, man.
If you are not seeking admission, you have no right to challenge this.
My law, I have places.
You have no
participated in that.
Are you today seeking admission?
No, my law.
End of that.
Because the process is unlawful. Adopted. Public university has added a process which is unlawful. That is before me this court.
Mr. Tiwari, either you file a public interest litigation.
I know candidate in the process, examination process. I are
saying you are no longer interested in admission now?
Why not? How will I be interested in a process of admission? That is unlawful. If tomorrow someone else.
You are not interested in the admission process per se. Whether it is lawful or unlawful is for us to decide. Even if it were a lawful, if supposing it is a lawful process, will you be interested in admission?
Yes, my lord, I will be interested in admission.
Sorry, we are not able to appreciate your art.
My lord, this may be heard finally.
No, we heard it finally. We are dismissing it because there's no longer any locales left. You don't want admission. You want to spoil somebody else's admission.
My law, I have come with this time before this court. Mr. Tiwari, we are not dismissing it on the ground of limitation. We are not holding limitation against you. You don't want admission in this course now, my lord, this will set a wrong precedent that the university can go on with unfair, unlawful.
Somebody who is interested in admission, challenge it.
My lord, I will amend the prayer then. If
you want to file a public interest litigation, file a public interest litigation. It will go before the pill bench. There is a separate format, separate requirement. Amend
the prayer. It cannot be
amended. You have to file a substantive petition if it's a public cost. If you are seeking admission today, that look, set it aside, and I will benefit if you give this reservation. I come in, I will be eligible today, I am ineligible. That's not your case.
My lord, if this is set aside, a new admission process will be done what?
Which year? 2023.
My lord, time has passed.
So,
That is not my fault, my lord. I am before this court, that is I am submitting, my lord.
so 2023 admission process is not happening 2025 age and when it happens.
But my lord, university has given unfair admission to someone who does not deserve as he.
A party he is.
Not a party until I have filed this petition. No admission process was done, so how will I know that who is getting admission in the unit?
Mr. Tiwari, what does the petitioner wants?
The petitioner wants to set aside that
We are not setting it aside for his whims and fancy. Well, Lord, if he is going to gain something, tell us, then look at it. If my Lord may see it on merit, it will come very clearly that is unfair. Mr. Tiwari, for that there is a public interest litigation.
So my lord, heed it to take public interest litigation.
Petitions do not get amended into pill, you file a substantive pill.
My lord, I will be challenging 2023 admission procedure in 2023.
Exactly what we are telling you, my
Lord, my petition is before this code is decided. Please kindly decide on this.
should be recorded. You are not interested in admission on that short ground. We will say no locus to challenge petition.
My lot, my prayer is not that I am a seeking admission right. I am challenging the admission process because it is unfair, my lord. My keep it on Monday and fine it. Why should we keep
it on Monday?
My lot, the respondent university has said in its reply. My lot, one blatant thing, I would just like to point out at Paris 17 what they are saying, the university. Then it is submitted that the respondent university was not duty bound to provide for reservation. They are submitting this in their reply. They are not bound to give reservation to any candidate. This is the submission of the relevant university. File appeal. Be interested in admission from 22. You will you not get admission in 2023? My lord, I am not getting admission. It is clear from the start that I am praying for questioning the admission process.
Assuming we were to chase it.
My lord.
Will you take admission in 2025 course? I have to see.
Instruction from if.
You are not interested in pursuing.
PhD. This is a PhD exam. There is no yearly seats coming up for admission, so 2023 is over.
Why no?
Then where is the question of reservation if it is not yearly? Lord, they are saying that we are not duty bound to provide reservation. This is my fundamental.
File a public administration litigation.
My lord, while
appeal if you are interested in setting the rules in order. If you are seeking admission into PhD course in future past is over, we can't take you back to 2023 and give new admission.
But the unlawful admissions, my lord, anyone on the whims and fancy of the respondent, anybody can take admission, my lord. There are major discrepancies. That is why I have approached before this honorable court. They did
not give reservation. They did not
give as per their internal rules.
And admitted somebody else. How is that admission illegal when they do not have a reservation? The person who is from the reserved category.
Why lot has lost
out on a seat. Why not? You had filed the petition claiming you were eligible but were denied admission because there was no reservation. There was
reservation, but the reservation was according to their own Act of 2018, the NLU Act 2018, that was not according to the Act. That makes it even more unlawful. My lord, I am praying that this may be heard finally.
Is it? A writ under 2 to 6 is available only if your fundamental rights and other legal rights are valid. My lord, my right as an OBC candidate domicile of this state. You are saying you are not a candidate now because you don't want admission.
My lord, the issue here is that if I want to seek an admission, then any other you want to see.
Admission. The admission question is, do you want to seek an admission?
My lord, I have to take instructions on that.
Please take instructions.
My lord, I will take instructions on call of find out. We will pass it over if he is.
Interested, then we will consider this. If he is not interested, why should we spend time on this petition? Either file a PL, withdraw this, file public interest litigation.